Hey, what's up, battery hackers? Welcome back to the channel where we crack the code on all things batteries. I'm Michael, and today we're diving into something you've probably seen 100 times but never really thought about. What exactly is a 12-volt battery used for? Now, this little guy might look simple, but don't be fooled. It's a powerhouse behind the scenes in so many things. Let's take a look. All right, first up, cars. You know that moment when you turn the key and your engine roars to life. Thank your 12-volt battery for that. It's the MVP in cars, motorcycles and trucks, making sure your engine starts and your headlights, wipers and even your stereo work. So next time your car doesn't start, yeah, blame the battery. But wait, it's not just cars. These bad boys are also essential in boats and other marine vehicles. They start the engine, run electronics, and basically keep you from being stranded in the middle of the ocean. Handy, right? Love camping in your RV? You're relying on a 12-volt battery to keep your lights on, your water pump running, and even charge your devices when you're off the grid. Talk about living the good life while off the beaten path. And for all my eco-warriors out there, 12-volt batteries are key in solar power systems too. They store all that sweet solar energy and keep your home or gadgets powered up, even when the sun's not shining. But we're not done yet. You'll find 12-volt batteries in smaller things too, like home security systems and RC cars. Yup, even that drone you've been crashing into trees runs on one of these. So yeah, 12-volt batteries, whether they're jump-starting your car, powering your off-grid adventures, or fueling your DIY hobbies, are everywhere, quietly doing the heavy lifting. All right, battery hackers, that's a wrap for today. If you learned something new, go ahead and hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. There's more battery geekery coming your way. Oh, and let me know in the comments, where do you use your 12-volt batteries? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay powered up.